लो देते हैं हम तुम्हें कसम फिर यार बहेंगे हम अश्क में आंखों से हरदम हमदम हमदम.
Hi Shilpa, welcome to Desi Martini. It's so good to connect to you once again. And how have you been? How has the lockdown been?
All the music that I am doing staying home. I'm recording here from home, sending out takes in the middle of the night when everything is quiet. I'm sitting in my room recording, sending out stuff. Many collaborations have happened, and I just wanted to share this news with you because it just happened last night. That the collaboration with which I did with Anushka Shankar for her album, that album has been nominated for the Grammys.
For Grammys, yes.
Yeah,
of course.
So yeah, this has been a great day. You've got me at a great day actually. Yeah.
Absolutely. Like my next question was like I wanted to congratulate you first, and the next question was how are you feeling? Because a Grammy nomination, this is huge.
This is something that probably wasn't even on my dream list. Like there are a lot of people who have a list, where they have these kind of, I want to work with such people, this, that, ye, wo. मतलब कुछ चीजें तो आपके लिस्ट में भी नहीं होती हैं, and life is so amazing that this has happened, and Anushka Shankar, this was her vision, and this is her brainchild, and this has finally, made it from one idea into a album, into a Grammy nomination. So big shout out to her, and to everybody who's been on the album. Really, it's a great moment for all of us. Yeah.
Right, absolutely. And it's a great moment for India also to get this opportunity and to like prove ourselves. We being a country of so many amazing musicians, but we rarely get noticed, that way. Not so often. It doesn't happen quite often.
Well, the kind of talent that we have in this country is unbelievable. I mean, even with Delhi Crime making it to the Emmys, it's been a great week. I must say that this is it's a very proud moment for India when it comes to art.
Absolutely.
Like so many people, doing us proud as Indians, and yeah, I just hope this is just the beginning, and there'll be more and more to come. Yeah.
So when you, of course, you said that this wasn't even on the list that you thought it would, where you think stuff. But when this was being made and when you first saw Love Letters, did you think that it will achieve this kind of feat? It has the potential, or it would just make it somewhere? It's going to be great.
Well, I will have to say I'm one of those people who don't think much, and I have my entire family, my parents, my friends who keep telling me, you know what, you don't like dream big, and you don't think of bigger things. For me, it's still that basic question: am I doing a good song? That is always the question. Even when I'm singing for Preetham, or I'm singing for Mithun, or Vishal Shekhar, or even for Anushka, the only question in my mind was, am I being a part of something which is a beautiful song, with beautiful piece of music? That is always the question, and it still is, and I hope it still continues to be in the future also. For me, being a part of a beautiful song, a piece of music, that's always been my search in life, and I would always make that effort. And a big thank you to the audiences to gobble up everything that I give them, be it film music, be it collaborations, be it independent music, anything. They have uh, heard everything and given me so much love for every avatar of mine. So uh, I cannot want more. This is just absolutely fantastic.
Yes, it's amazing. And the song was great, I must tell you. Like, it was something out of the world. When we heard it, we're like, wow, this is so good. I believe it was shot during the lockdown, right?
Yes, we were thinking because we released the audio in Feb this year, and
Hmm.
Anushka is in UK, Ayana is somewhere else in UK. I am here, and many other vocalists and musicians were at different places. So we were thinking how to put a video together. This was always a thought and a question in our minds, but we took what do you say, in the lockdown, it became more important to put out this song because the entire world right now is going through a crisis where we need love and compassion to heal each other. I know everyone's going through a
Right.
difficult time. You cannot help everyone, and the only thing that we can do for each other is to put out a message of love. And I don't know, I always feel that love is the answer to everything. Even this big crisis that the whole world is going through, if we show love and compassion towards each other as people, we will get through this. I always feel that. And uh, that's why we chose to do this song, irrespective of COVID, irrespective of lockdown. We felt we have to put out a message of love, and that is why we did this video in lockdown. Yeah.
Wow. So it's just amazing how you guys made it happen, because lockdown, it's also kind of making people around us anxious. It's a situation that nobody had anticipated, and in this time you're making something so beautiful, so nice, so lovely. It's amazing. Kudos to you and the entire team, and
Thanks to the
congratulations
internet.
once again.
Thanks to the internet for making all this happen. Actually, we just did it over the internet. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Also, not just love letters. There's also Hardam
Hardam
Hamdam, which
Hamdam.
is
Yeah.
a chart. It's a great time for you, I believe. Like, everything you're doing is turning into gold. Not like it hasn't before, but it's just fantastic how your career graph is growing, jumping right now.
Well, like I said, it's all thanks to people who listen to my music and give it so much love. There is no other way to put it. People make your songs big. People who listen to you and listen to your music, that is the only one factor that changes everything. So uh, as much as I say I'm grateful to the audiences, it's far less than what I'm being able to convey. They have no idea what they mean to me. Every single one of the fans that have heard my music and have loved it, I make it a point to interact with them one on one as much as possible on social media. I try and reply to their messages. I try and retweet or post their stories as much as I can. But if I cannot, it is just that I wish I could meet them in person individually and thank them. Uh, in fact, Preetham and I, when we were on a tour, Preetham was doing this tour in the States, and I was a part of it. I was, like, it was a great way to collaborate with him. I used to say this on stage, that I wish I had a superpower where I could meet every fan of mine individually and thank them. I wish I had the superpower too. It's a brilliant idea as a musician to have that superpower to be able to talk to every fan of theirs and to thank them in person what they actually mean to us. So that's what I would say. Yeah.
Well, fans would be elated at this, because I, being a fan, I'm getting a chance to interact with you. It's just amazing even for me. I'm getting to talk to you. It's like out of the world experience. I've told you this before also when we talked.
Thank you. Thank you so much for
So,
having this conversation and passing my message to everybody who was there. So thanks to you too. Yeah.
thank you. Also, would you please sing a few lines from the song?
Hardam Hamdam, here we go. It goes out to everybody out there who's listening to me. Here we go. लो देते हैं हम तुम्हें कसम फिर यार, बहेंगे हम अश्क में आंखों से हरदम हमदम, हरदम हमदम हमदम, लो देते हैं हम तुम्हें. So, lots of love.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Also, you know, I read your tweet where you had been urging people not to step out during the lockdown. Like, do you think is it going to stop? Would people be taking more care, or have they been reckless all throughout?
I am one of those very what do you call it? The romantic fool that feels that people are amazing and they love each other, and I have faith in humanity. I mean, even if things are going wrong, and even if there is no hope for uh, a ray of like any sunlight coming in, I still have that hope that people are uh, innately very compassionate towards each other. So whenever I tweet that, it's with that hope that even if one person who reads this and can be careful and can avoid that infection, I feel that I have done something, uh, or I've done my duty towards a, being a fellow human being. And I know that it's the festive season, not just in India, all over the world. Thanksgiving is tomorrow. Christmas is just around the corner. New Year's is around the corner. We've had Diwali, we've had Chhat, we have such a festive season going on right now. But all said and done, we are on a holiday, but sadly COVID is not. COVID is getting stronger by the day. It is not on a holiday, it is doing a job perfectly well. And that is infection, and that is causing a lot of loss in our families. uh, we cannot refute that fact. I know we are having a great time with the festive season. We cannot forget that COVID is still on duty, and we have to fight this together, and we cannot do it alone. We have to do it together. So whenever I tweet such things, it is in the hope that even if one person can read this and be more careful, I I would feel great about it. So that's why I keep putting out that message time and again, that wear your mask, wear it properly, maintain that social distancing, sanitize your hands, be careful, especially for your parents, because they need us more right now. They're the most vulnerable. So
Absolutely.
I keep saying this out of the sheer hope that people will be more careful. That's all.
So, have you stepped out for wedding during this lockdown? And what did you feel? How did you feel? Because the situation has been completely different of how it used to be and how things are now. With the mask,
Right.
with so many PPE kits and so much of safety precautions.
Well, I haven't stepped out. Like I said, there are a lot of people who are very fortunate that they can stay home. Uh, I'm one of them. I'm also fortunate because my parents are here with me. I think people who are at home with their parents are the luckiest people who are in lockdown with their family. I think you're the luckiest people on this planet right now. Use this time to bond with them, to talk to them, to spend time, eat together. These are some things we can do as family. Uh, what what I have felt through the lockdown is sometimes, I know there is that freedom attached to every person, freedom of doing what you want, and freedom of speech, and freedom of expression, freedom of having a plan and then doing it. We often forget that the freedom has a little part called duty, and right now it's time for duty. 2020 is about duty, and that duty is to
Right.
yourself, to your family, to your community, to your entire country, to your entire world. So my duty towards everybody else is that I need to be careful, and I need I need to make sure that the others are also safe around me. So probably that is what has been my effort through the lockdown. That I've I've tried to do everything online. I've done a lot actually. Through the lockdown, I have recorded, I have put out music, I have shot videos at home, I have cooked so many things, I have done so many things, but I have not stepped out at all. I've done all of
Okay.
this staying home, and like I said, I'm one of the lucky ones who can afford to stay home. There are a lot of people who are not that lucky and they have to step out. So at least let us make their lives easy, not crowd the streets for freedom's sake, but to restrict yourself for duty's sake. So freedom, duty go hand in hand. Let's realize that and make this world a much more safe place for each other. Yeah.
That's very well said, Shilpa. Very well articulated. Um, Also, you completed 13 years of your journey in Bollywood, I believe. It's 13 years,
Yes.
right?
13 years. Yeah.
13, 13 years. What has been the most special song for you in all these years?
This is a very difficult question to answer. I mean, how can you pick one song with with every song, being loved by people so much? I'd have to choose one. एक गाना आप बोल रहे हो?
Ek Gana,
Well,
yeah, like your
एक गाना where it all started, तो से नैना, मिथुन, where it all started. I think that will be my
right.
one song that changed everything for me. Yes, yes.
And five, अगर मैं आपको five की space दे दूँ तो five of your most special song throughout your career.
Well, तो से नैना, खुदा जाने, कलंक, मनमर्जियाँ, and Parchana. Parchana is one of those songs that I will always cherish. Yeah.
Okay, that's a great list actually. I think of all your songs, I'm like, I want to keep listening to them. So choosing five for you, I can believe how difficult it would be.
Yeah, it's every song is very personal to me. I've had a very, what do you call it, being committed to the moment while I'm singing it and when I'm recording it. So it's a very personal journey for me, every song. So yeah, it's hard to choose. Yeah.
Of course, of course. So I would ask you some quick questions. Now is that round
Yeah.
again? Round
Yeah.
for quick questions.
Go for it.
So one of the most recent songs, one of the recent songs that you wanted to be a part of, or you wish you were a part of?
Well, I don't listen to a song with that outlook of I wish I was a part of this. I listen to a song for the whole sheer love of it, and of the recent times that I've heard a lot of songs. I've loved the whole soundtrack of Dil Bichara. I've loved the entire soundtrack of Dil Bichara. It's beautifully haunting, and Rahman Saab has done such a beautiful job. Amitabh, he's written so beautifully. So yeah, it's a beautiful project. I wouldn't change one thing about it. I would just leave it the way it is. It's beautiful.
Right, absolutely. One of your most memorable moments during these 13 years of your journey?
Every moment has been amazing. The good ones and the bad ones. In fact, especially the bad ones, because they make you stronger. They make you more patient towards life and work. I think even on the bad days when you get a message from a fan saying uh, your song gave me hope, that gives me hope in return. So yeah, every moment. Yeah, I've loved every moment.
You're a really positive person, I must say, Shilpa. And
Thanks
it's
to all
just,
of you
it's
guys.
just
यार तुम लोग का प्यार आते रहता है and I become positive about life. Yeah.
Acha, name me one like upcoming or just a new talent who has impressed you immensely.
A new talent. I mean, he's not a new talent. I've heard him many times, but Jazim Sharma is one beautiful voice that I've heard in the recent times. He had sung some songs for Manmarzi actually, and I find his voice very beautiful and very uh, like it has this freshness about it. And there's another guy, Tushar Joshi, who I love to listen to, and I hope I listen to him more in the future. These are two voices that have really got my attention. Yeah.
Okay. And talking about like work, so not one, actually, what are your upcoming collaborations or what upcoming songs that we should definitely be looking forward to?
There's a collaboration with the Yellow Diaries. It's a Sony Music project. It's a collab with them, and we're working on that. So I really hope you enjoy that one. And there are some more recordings with Preetham. I hope you like that too. So yeah, I hoping uh, that my songs give you that kind of warmth and hope that it has given me. So that's that.
Okay. Now we would have a very different kind of a round. It's like you have to describe certain moods with a song. Okay?
Okay.
Come to your mind when I talk about that mood.
Okay.
Like one song that came to your mind when you heard about the Grammy nomination.
Shabashiya, Shabashiya. I think that is one celebratory song that I always feel. So yeah.
Okay. One song that comes to your mind when you see people stepping out during these times for no reason.
आज जाने की जिद ना करो, यूं ही घर पे ही बैठे रहो. I want to say this to everybody.
Right, right. When you are happy.
When I'm happy. When I'm happy. Actually बहुत सारे गाने आ जाते हैं, ऐसा कोई एक गाना नहीं होता है. उस टाइम पे जो मन करता है हम चला लेते हैं. But there are so many songs that I play on when I'm happy. It changes actually. It's not just one song. It keeps changing.
Right. So one song that you listen to that uplifts your mood or when you are like really sad.
When I'm sad, well, there is one thing that when you are feeling low or if you're feeling sad, point is let it do its thing to you. Forcing yourself to suddenly change your mood, it doesn't happen. So it's best to kind of let it do its thing and phase out on its own. And there is one song which there are a couple of songs that really lift my spirits high when I'm very down. One is that line from Dangal, which I always say about Amitabh Bhattacharya, that he's written it so beautifully, is बंदे की मेहनत को किस्मत का सादर प्रणाम है प्यारे, दंगल दंगल, which I find is a very uplifting line where no matter how much you feel dejected and you feel it's not working out, but you cannot stop making an effort so to achieve what you want to. So always keep working at it. So yeah.
Okay. Okay, that was the last question, Shilpa. Thank you so much for connecting with us, and
Thank you.
congratulations once again for Love
Thank you so
Letters.
much.
And we hope
Thank
that
you.
we hope that you continue to give us such brilliant music even in future, and we would be eagerly waiting for them.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Stay safe. Take care. Stay happy.